let's talk about what are the different types of apex triggers available for use. If I have to highlight that, there are basically two types of apex triggers available. One is before apex trigger, second is the after apex triggers. You would wonder, or you might want to know what all the what does these mean? Like what do I mean by before triggers and the after triggers? Let me simplify that for you. As the name suggests, the before apex trigger runs before certain actions are taken on the record. For example, you can define certain apex triggers before delete of a record, before update of a record, or before insert of the record. Like you might want to perform certain actions before the events are being taken on the record. For example, I would consider a practical use case of an account object or the account record. For instance, I can configure a before delete apex trigger on my account record. So every time I attempt to delete the record, delete the account record from my Salesforce org, I want to perform the cleanup of all the related records that I have for that account. For instance, before I delete the account record, I want to delete all the associated contacts, I want to delete all the associated opportunities, I want to delete all the associated tasks, events, or any custom records, custom object records that I have. So in that case, I can leverage the before apex triggers for the account object. So I hope this is making sense to you. In case you have any questions around the before triggers, or you want a practical code sample on it, do let me know in the comment sections. I will definitely try to bring something for you so that this concept becomes clear to you. So this is about the before apex trigger. Now let's talk about the next type of apex trigger that we have, which is after apex triggers. As the name suggests, these apex triggers are executed after the event is being performed on the on the records. For example, you might wish to perform certain actions or certain automations after the insert, after the update, or after the delete of the records. If I have to give a practical example, we can consider the example of a account and the contact object. As we have seen in the previous segment of this video, that we can perform an automation after a contact is inserted to automatically update the number of contacts count on the account object. So in case you have certain automations that you want to perform after certain events occur on your records, then you can leverage the after insert triggers. So this is about the different types of apex triggers that are available for use. So it is up to you, and it is up to the business use cases or business processes that you want to automate with the apex trigger, which type of trigger you want to configure. But one practical tip or one standard tip that I would like to give, that whatever type of apex trigger you want to configure on your object, do it very wisely, do your thorough research and analysis that it doesn't cause any sort of recurring events, it doesn't cause any sort of performance issues with the Salesforce platform. So do it wisely, do your due diligence about choosing the right type of trigger for your next trigger based automation. So yeah, that is pretty much it.